Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add pixel code to Shopify manually. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, log into your Shopify account. Head over to the Shopify website and click on the login link on the homepage. Once you're logged in, go to the online store option and from there, click on Themes. This is where you can manage and customize the look and feel of your online store. Now that you're in the theme section, it's time to access your store's code. Hover over three dots beside your current theme, and from this drop-down menu, click on the button labeled Edit Code. This is the part where you'll be making the necessary changes to add your pixel code. So follow along carefully. After clicking Edit Code, you'll be taken to the code editor where all your store's backend files are listed. Here, expand the layout section from the left side and look for the file named theme.liquid. This file controls the overall HTML layout of your Shopify store. Click to open it. Next, scroll through the code until you find the opening and closing head tags. This is where your pixel code needs to be placed for it to load properly on every page of your site. Paste your pixel code just before the closing head tag. Placing it here ensures that your pixel loads early during page loading, giving you more accurate tracking results. Before saving, double-check your code carefully. Make sure everything is formatted correctly and that you haven't accidentally removed or altered any existing code. Even a small mistake can affect your store's performance. Once you're confident the code is correctly added, click the Save button at the top right corner of the editor. This will apply your changes to your live store. And that's it. So that is how you can add pixel code to Shopify manually. So that's all for this video. Thanks.